In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, look over to the left panel. Here, you'll find an option labeled Audience. Click on that, and then select Lists and Segments. This takes you to the heart of managing your contacts, where all your lists and segments will be displayed. Now, you might notice a button in the top right corner that says Create New. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to choose the option to create a new list or segment. This is where you define the new group of contacts you'll be working with. Once you select that, it will prompt you to give your new list a clear and meaningful name. Think about what kind of contacts will be in this list and choose something that makes sense. You can also add any tags you wish to use for easier categorization. This is totally optional, but it's a good practice that can help you organize your contacts later on. Once you've created your new list, open it up. Now, to get your contacts into Klaviyo, we need to initiate the import process. In the top right corner of your list, you'll see a button that says Manage List. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Import Contacts. This is your gateway to bringing those valuable contacts into your marketing space. Moving on to the next step, it's crucial to prepare your CSV file with all your contacts. Make sure your contacts are organized in a spreadsheet format, specifically a CSV file. If you're not entirely sure how to format that spreadsheet correctly, don't worry. While you're on the upload screen, you should see a convenient link that says How to Format Your File for Dynamic Guidelines. Clicking that will provide you with detailed instructions on how to ensure your spreadsheet has the right columns and formatting. Once your contacts are formatted correctly, it's time to upload the file to Klaviyo. Just follow the prompts, and when you're ready, select your CSV file and upload it. Klaviyo will start processing your file, which may take a few moments depending on how many contacts you're importing. Once it's done, you'll see that your new contact database has been populated. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Klaviyo. This process opens up a world of possibilities for your email marketing campaigns, allowing you to connect with your audience effectively. If you have any questions about these steps or would like to see more tutorials, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email marketing journey.